On what Volvo models is collision warning with emergency brake available? Well, as it is now becoming a legal requirement from 1st of November 2015, it will be available on all of our models from FL, FE, FM, FMX and FH, as well as, of course, FH16. Kevin wants to know, how wide does the vehicle in front of the truck have to be for the system to detect it? Well, as we are using two sensors, both the radar and the camera, we can use the camera to detect how wide the object in front of us is, and therefore it's fairly easy to observe if it is a bus or a truck, or even all the way down to a motorbike.